I'm already using the power emails.
Yes.
And sent 2 out today. I have 3 really quick questions. I know that I haven't
Sure.
gone through the modules.
That's fine.
Want to be conscientious of your time as well. So the first one about the power emails is I have this AI program called Gamma.
Mm-hmm.
Not sure if you're familiar with it.
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. It can make like really beautiful branded colors
Okay.
presentations.
Love it.
And you love it. Okay.
I mean, I
So-
love what I just heard. I've never heard of Gamma. I like the idea of them taking your power email and making it a little bit prettier to a point. Okay, like the prompt that I would give Gamma is use like Easton University if you guys want to steal it. It's 248-91-1 is my RGB. You guys should all know what is the Pantone, what is the of your corporate color. Make that the highlighted color. Why? It's subconscious warfare. But I would not have Gamma go so far that this looks like, you know, the Pixar made the damn email. Because then it doesn't feel like it came from you. So a little bit pretty, fine. Too much is too much. Like if there's photographs and stuff in there, it doesn't seem organic. I want it to feel like I just got off the phone with Sam. Sam is the sharpest, smartest person out there. Man, I'm fine with no typos in the email. Not a bad thing if there's a few. And the colors look nice and the fonts look great. Other than that, I wouldn't go too far into like sizzle because then it looks like a robot.
Okay. So in this case, it's analog is better than digital.
Yeah, unless it's colors and like fonts. I mean, I'm fine with that, but I don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze there. Because here's the other thing. If you get your colors and stuff in there, I need this. Like, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag here, guys, but I need this to be an email that you can go into your sent folder and just use a word like current situation, because that's in all of your power emails, and go find all of the power emails that you sent this week and be like, man, in Derek's case, this school district is exactly like the soccer team that I talked to, or these parents are like these parents. And then Derek can go find that email and just change what he needs to change to send out a new one. So I just don't want you spending too much time on making it pretty.